Hi my friend, this video will show you how to operate the DPP 115 blitz packing machine. The first step is to connecting the power supply. This blue one is a neutral line, except for blue, these three are lifelines. This yellow and green line is the ground line. After the machine is connected to the power supply, turn on the machine switch. Here shows the touchscreen version. Press the green button to turn on the machine. Red button to turn off the machine. The larger red button on the right is the emergency stop button. Press the emergency stop button to shut down the machine if required. Turn right according to the arrow to release the emergency stop. The next step is to connecting the water chiller. Here is the water chiller. It has two water pipes which need to connect to the machine. And the cold water outlet of the chiller is connected to the water inlet of the blitz packing machine. The return port of the chiller is connected to the water outlet of the packaging machine. Connecting the power supply of the chiller. Then connect to the compressed air. Connect the compressed air to the air inlet of the blitz packing machine. Install the PVC or PET foaming film. Pay attention to the direction of the PVC film. Here is a diagram showing how to install the film. Use this air gun to pump air into the center of the film roll. Install the lid film, alu foil. Install on the lid film as this direction. There is an air gun here also. Use the air gun to fix the film position. When turn the roller, the film and the shaft should rotate together. If want to remove the film, press the button in the middle, then can remove the film. Pull the lid film to this position. Now we turn on the machine temperature. Setting temperature, current temperature. Here is the ceiling temperature. Here's the operation of the touchscreen version. When the machine temperature reaches the setting temperature, we run the machine and to roll the width edge. Here is the width edge collection. Also a diagram here to show how to roll.